Hi, my name is Revanth. I recently got placed in Zeta Global as product support engineer. I completed my graduation in 2024 in the stream of computer science engineering. After my graduations, there were layoffs and decisions all around. So, I was worried about my career and I attended the career guidance sessions at WhiteScholars, and finally I chose full stack development here. My trainer is Path Singh, who is a real-time expert. He works at Fluid Touch Private Limited. He has given me hands-on experience on various projects, and the regular sessions were very good, and even the doubt clearance sessions were taken one-on-one every weekend. Apart from the regular training sessions, there are regular mock interview sessions and also resume guidance sessions. Not only this, there are regular job assistance programs conducted here. My experience at WhiteScholars has been very good, and they have helped me at every step. All of this has helped me to crack the interview at Zeta Global with a decent package of 4.5 LPA. Thank you WhiteScholars for guiding me.